Scrivener isn't just a tool for writing novels. It can be a writing environment for academic essays, research projects, and has a dedicated script writing mode, allowing you to write in established script writing formats for stage plays, film and TV, or even radio plays and comic scripts. Scrivener can also import from or export to the format used by other screenwriting software such as Final Draft, allowing you to move your scripts into and out of Scrivener with ease. A Scrivener project can be switched to script writing mode by clicking in the editor and going to Format, Script Writing, Script Mode, or using the keyboard shortcut Command 8. This can be done in any project, anytime, even if you already have written prose in the document. When you do this, you'll notice the document icon changes to a script icon to indicate script writing mode is enabled. Note that this isn't tied to whether or not the document contains any script text, just whether or not script writing mode is enabled in that document. Script mode uses screenplay formatting by default, but there are a number of built-in formats to choose from. These are listed in the script writing menu, and each actually has a project template associated with it, but we will cover that aspect later in this video. If I start typing in screenplay format, you'll see that everything I type appears in all caps. The footer bar has changed, so it no longer shows a word count. Instead, it shows me which script element I'm currently typing, in this box on the far right, and just to the left of that shows hints on how to quickly switch elements as you write. At the moment, I'm typing a scene heading, which is typically the first element when you start a script, establishing where the scene takes place. If you want to jump to a different element instead, you can click on the box in the right of the footer bar to change element, or use the menu in Format Script Writing. Anyone who's used other popular script writing apps will find Scrivener's script writing mode works in much the same way. When I start typing a scene heading, if I type the letter I, suggestions will automatically pop up for int, shorthand for interior, and I can use the keyboard to select one of the options and hit enter. Then I type the location, hit tab to insert a hyphen automatically, and type the time of day. Again, suggestions will appear, and I can select one using the keyboard. Now if I hit return, you'll notice the script element has changed. We are now writing action. I can type a description of the scene and hit return again when I'm done. Typically, action can take place over multiple paragraphs, so we're still in the action element, but I can hit tab to tab inward, which switches the script element to character, and I can type the character's name. Hitting return after a character's name will automatically switch the element to dialogue, where I can enter some spoken lines for this character. The next return brings us back to action, but once again I can hit tab to enter another character's name if I want them to respond straight away without any action happening first. This time I'll hit tab to add a parenthetical, indicating how the character feels or offering some direction on how the line should be delivered, then hit return to type more dialogue. If the first character follows that with a response right away, I'll hit tab again, and notice this time when I start typing the character's name, the name pops up as a suggestion. This happens for both character names and locations, allowing you to consistently name characters or settings as you write. You can edit the list of character names and locations Scrivener will automatically suggest to you by going to Project, Project Settings, Autocomplete List, where the plus and minus buttons can also be used to add or remove items. You aren't limited to the script formats built into Scrivener. It's possible to create your own script format by going to Format, Script Writing, Script Settings. There are a whole host of settings here that allow you to set elements for your script and how each one is formatted, along with behaviors for which elements to switch to if you hit tab or return, auto-completion, and so forth. Once you've set up a custom script format here, if you want to use it in other projects, click to open the Manage menu and choose Save for use with other projects. You will be asked to enter a name for your script format, and from that point forward it will appear in the list of available script formats when you enter the script writing menu. If you plan to write a script, there are a bunch of project templates to get you started. When you create a new project, click on the script writing category. Here you will find a number of templates with example structures for screenwriting, stage plays, comic scripts, and more. That's all we're going to cover in this video. If you want to learn more about script writing mode, we suggest taking a look at the script writing section of the Scrivener manual. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!